yourself, you are invincible. Discovering yourself can assist you in becoming more self-aware, confident and empowered, which can positively impact your life and lives of others. Understanding who you are and knowing who you want to be can give you a new perspective that is essential for growth and understanding of what you want to achieve in life. Having a sense of self can lead to the development of new skills and experiences. With this thought, I hand over the charge of class assembly to Nafsirat. Nafsirat, please come on the stage.
Principal, teachers, and my dear friends, I am Nafsirat Kaur, your host for today's morning assembly. Keep me burning, give me all in my lamp, I pray. Give me all in my lamp, keep me burning till the break of day. Keep me burning, keep me burning. Keep me burning till the break of day. Keep me burning, keep me burning, keep me burning till The topic for our assembly is self-awareness. So friends, let us know about it. What is self-awareness? Self-awareness is having an accurate understanding of ourselves that includes knowing our strengths, challenges, emotions, values, and hopes for the future. When we have strong self-awareness skills, we are better equipped for success. Now my friends will tell them of self-awareness. Self-awareness means knowing about yourself. It helps you to understand your feelings. You know what makes you happy or sad. It's knowing what you are good at. It also helps what you need to improve. Being self-aware means you can say I need help. It helps you make good choice. You understand how your actions affect others. It makes you proud of who you are. Thank you. A person who thinks about his or her feelings and needs is showing a sign of self-awareness. Now, students of 1C are going to show you what is the safe touch through a small skit.